amethyst here.
Okay.
Not only in color,
no,
but this is also in size. We have your choice. Now the pendant is available. The ring is available. This is brand new this morning. It's 93,664. So we have the pendant available on 3 flex pays of 46.63. And look at that pendant. Yes, the chain is included. Yes, it is an enhancer. And wouldn't that be pretty on the Amethyst Tears of Joy necklace? Also, you could do that. The ring is available for $39.97. 9.5 carats, by the way, on the pendant. And the ring... I'll get a carat weight on the ring for some reason. Okay, 9.5 carats. Thank you. Okay. Tell us, where were you here? What part of the world were you in?
In Venice. In the Piazza San Marco, which is also known as St. Mark's Square, if you don't know it as the Piazza San Marco, which is a truly unique place, one of my favorite places in the world. It's the only place where you can hear people's voices over automobiles, because, of course, there are none. So I went there on my way to Vicenza to take pictures. So I stayed at the Hotel Daniele for a night, and I took 461 pictures in 20 hours.
Wow.
Yes. And my favorite was when the lights went dark, as I was there from morning till night until the next morning, and everything seemed to turn purple. They have a couple of my pictures. I don't know if they're going to be able to show them, but everything turned, this bridge all lit up with dark purple lights.
Oh, stunning.
So I envisioned a very, very, very dark Cape amethyst. And that's when I started collecting them. And they're very large. These are 18 by 13, and they're checkerboard cut, and they're spectacular in color. And I went through each one by one, until we could get enough to do the order, which we couldn't get very many of them. It's not, you know, these pieces are not in the hundreds. They're very limited, but this is my Piazza San Marco collection, and I truly adore it. I love the way the ring was made. I love the way I textured it to be architecturally the same as the St. Mark's Plaza. If you look at the side of the ring, it's more like an architectural beauty than, you know, a plain old ring.
Absolutely. Look at those
And look
pieces.
at the bell even on the pendant, and you'll see how I think these pieces, I'm so proud of the way they came out. They are so lovely.
That is gorgeous. And that's, you can see that richness, the colors there. You see the lights. I've never been. That would be amazing.
Oh, it
never
is
been.
So beautiful. And when it gets dark out, and when everything turns bluish purple with a glow.
Amazing.
And especially when in the winter, and it was one of those winters, it was in January, and it had been very, very cold here.
Yes.
It was 55 degrees there. People were actually eating outside at cafes at night.
No kidding.
Yeah, it was absolutely spectacular.
Oh, now we can go. See? We were just transported there just by looking at these.
It goes with your dress perfectly.
It's amazing. And don't you find, I mean, purple just lends itself to pretty much everything. I think that's why so many of us gravitate. Don't you find you just kind of gravitate towards this color? This is something that you will enjoy wearing. You'll love telling that story and sharing that story. And there is that architectural
very
detail.
Special mounting. I mean, it took me about a month to even draw this. I mean, I knew the stone I wanted to use, but I wanted to put it in something very special that resembled what I was visually seeing.
So amazing. Flex pay. Use a flex pay. $39.97 on the ring, $46.63 on that pendant. Shipping and tax on that very first flex pay, but this is sent out to you today. It is in the mail, about 7 to 10 days if you're new shopping with us here at HSN. If you're a February baby and this is your birthstone, if you just love the color purple, if you just love that story that Hilary just shared with us.
My friend
maybe you've
just
been
had
to
a
Italy.
Wedding. She just had a destination wedding, and her color scheme was purple and silver.
But that
now,
was
wouldn't that have been
stunning.
wonderful if each one of the bridesmaids got one of these rings or one of the pendants?
Definitely. Definitely. Or maybe you're planning a wedding and maybe you're going to have similar colorations. Why not? And it's nice to be able to give something like this that they can actually wear beyond the wedding, right?
Right?
Yes. Yes. This is 93664. So certainly give us a call and we would love to help you out with something like this. The fascinating, again, when you see these gems and you can literally see through this gem, the quality is sensational. One of the things I'm going to show you here, So I'm going to take this off because, again, the chain is included, but I do want to remind you that we do have the Tears of Joy necklace. So this is something that you can go ahead and ask about. And again, you can take...
That'll be beautiful on
Yeah,
yes.
Spectacular. Because remember, you can go ahead and you can add this, and I'm just adding it for ease right here just to show you. Look at how pretty that is. Right on the heart
That's
clasp.
so wonderful.
And it just gives it a whole different vibe.
How rich is that? How rich is that? It's
really
so
is.
beautiful, the color of it.
And again,
knowing that amethyst is the stone of sobriety, and it's just a wonderful feeling.
And richness and royalty. I mean, the whole purple is all about royalty and richness. And if you love, maybe it is your very favorite color, absolutely go for it. And again, keep in mind, you are getting the chain, but I'm going to give you, let me look for this, because I show you this necklace. So I do want to give you that item number. That is 965493. That necklace is $24.90. So if you're looking at that and thinking, oh, what necklace is that? We have that available in the clear. We have it available in the smoky as well as the amethyst. So again, whether you're using it on the chain that comes included or whether you want, you know, other different looks, because it is all about the versatility, but no question, it is certainly about that stone, 9.5 carats.
I use a lot of lilac amethyst, a lot of pink amethyst. This amethyst is so special. It is so dark. It is so rich. It is so regal. It is so royal, and it's so hard to get. And
it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So stay on the phone lines. We have all sizes in the ring, and we have that pendant and necklace. So definitely, thank you for your phone calls. Now, I want to remind you.